Hello and welcome. I'm so excited you're deciding to look at digital marketing. It's a booming career field. Over the next 10 to 15 years, it's expected to grow a minimum of 10% every year. So it's a great time to get into digital marketing. But how do you know which course to choose? There's so many of them out there and so much noise. How do you know which one's the right one for you so you don't waste your time or your money and get discouraged and quit? Well, I'm going to help you decide what course you should choose that meets your goals. My name is Mike Conroy. After years in the corporate world, I started my own digital marketing agency in 2019, and I know what it takes to be successful. So I know what a course should contain to help you be successful. So we're going to walk through this real quickly, some of the things you want to look for when you're trying to decide on a course. After that, I'll go into the course that I recommend. If you want to skip ahead to that, go ahead. But hopefully, this will help you decide which course meets your goals and will work for you. And I want to help you have success. So let's get started here. First thing, again, it's cutting through the noise. There are so many e-learning courses that are being promoted. How do you know which one's right? First thing you want to look at, what's the cost? Is there a monthly fee? If there's a monthly fee, you don't want that, right? You want to take the class and then be able to use that, not have to pay every month. Is it multi-level marketing or pyramid? If someone takes a cut of every sale you do, that's MLM or a pyramid. You don't want that. So right away, stay away from those two. Also, I want you to beware of false claims. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If someone's telling you you can make $1,000 a day and only work an hour, be very wary of that. I mean, it takes time. You need to go through the training and learn the skills first off, and then you need to apply those. And it takes time and effort to then get good at that, right? How do you create the right content? How do you tell your story? How do you attract your perfect customer? Who is your perfect customer? Right? You have to learn all of that and then start working at it. And just like a golfer or a baseball player, every time they swing and practice their swing, they get better. So I'm not saying you can't make that kind of money, but if they're telling you you can do that in a month or 2 months, it's not realistic. So you want to set reasonable expectations. Um, again, can you spend the time? Can you be consistent doing what you're supposed to do? Get through the training and learn it. I tell everybody all the time, I can teach it to you. I can't learn it for you. So be prepared that you have to go in and learn this information. It's not get rich quick. It's not overnight success where you're just going to hit a switch and start making that money. So any course that claims that you can do that, just be wary of that. All right. So the other one, you want to figure out your why. Are you a business owner who wants to do your own digital marketing? Do you want a side hustle around your current job? You want to protect against job loss or even have a new career, or you just want to build money for retirement? Kind of sit down and figure out what's your why. Why do you want to get into this? And then once you do that, you can set your goals. If you're that business owner, you want to attract more business, cut marketing expenses. If you want to start on that agency and take on clients, do you want to go get a job as a digital marketer? You just want additional income streams and passive income streams, or you want to someday launch your own course. Um, all the courses out there will have some parts of these, but you want to make sure what your goals are and what your why are. Now you know what to look for within that course. Then you want to be able to, does the court offer expansion? Does it offer training on affiliate marketing and faceless marketing and branding? And again, how to launch your own course, how to set up your own community. All those are important to have. You want a course that's not going to limit you to this and then make you pay more for these other things, right? So again, really look at carefully what they have. So again, does it have the courses you need? Is there tech support? Is there coaching and mentoring? And are there systems and automations? Is it like a business in a box to where you don't have to go reinvent the wheel, right? You want something that's pluggable and play. Of course, you have to learn and get good at it, but you don't want to have to deal with that part of setting up all the tech and the systems. So the traditional job models are becoming extinct. They're being replaced by technology. People are being replaced by someone younger and cheaper in this economy. Internet and social media have opened up so many opportunities for income that didn't exist 10, 20 years ago. And it makes the traditional 9 to 5 not make any sense anymore. You're trading your money for your time. And if your company ever has to decide on their business or you, they're going to choose their business every single time. So that's why as the world goes more and more digital, getting your foot into a digital world is the only way to go. If you're a business owner, you must go digital. The world's going digital and AI becomes more prevalent. These jobs are going to go away. Labor, manufacturing, healthcare, I don't care what it is. These jobs are going to start to go away quicker than you think. So you want to get your foot in the world of digital so that that job doesn't go away, right? Your skills will be more in high demand. And what's the catch, right? You have to complete and learn, right? You have to learn the modules. You have to go through them. Like I said, I can give it to you, I can teach it to you. I can't learn it for you. You got to be coachable. You got to be consistent. If the program says do ABC today, then do ABC today. Do DEF tomorrow, do DEF tomorrow, right? And then you have to have those reasonable expectations. Don't quit. Understand it's going to take time. There's great money to be made in digital marketing. When you become that broker between consumers who are looking for a product or service and the business owner who provides those, when you connect those two and become that broker, you're invaluable to that business owner and they're willing to pay high dollar for those skill set. So that's why you don't want to quit. That's why you don't want to give up because you will get there. And again, the more and more the world goes digital, the more these businesses go digital, they're going to need your skills more than ever. So what's it take? Can you have success? No program can guarantee you any success, right? Everybody's different. If somebody guarantees you that, $1,000 a day and work an hour a day and 7 days you're making money, people aren't cookie cutter, right? So they can't guarantee that for everybody. Everybody's going to learn different. Everybody's going to produce differently. Everybody's going to perform differently. So just be wary of those kind of claims and have the right expectations for it. You have to have the right time spent. You have to have the content creation skills, and you have to have the right mindset. On the mindset, your thoughts create your reality. If you think you can or can't, you're right. Okay. You have to have that right mindset that you can do this because you can. It's not that tough. What is digital marketing? Some people get so scared by that word and think, well, I don't have any tech experience. I don't have marketing experience. You don't need it if you choose the right course. You can learn it. Okay. Digital marketing is just getting eyeballs on a product or service. That's it. Putting on a piece of content that attracts those eyeballs to that product or service. And once you learn how to do that, you're invaluable to a business owner. So if you have time to scroll through your phone at night or look at Netflix, you've got time to learn how to do this and then apply those skills and make money. But do your research and set reasonable goals. It's the best advice I can give you. So what's the program I'm going to recommend? And the cost? It's called Legacy Builders. It includes a custom sales funnel, all the automation, the emails, they're all written for you. And it has a website that's for you, that's built for you. There are 4 digital products you get to choose from. So you plug those into the training and you learn and get real time, real world experience as you're going through the training and hopefully earn while you learn because you're out there promoting the products. Um, the training courses are free. Everything I've mentioned is free. You only pay for the digital products. So if you want one digital product, it's $100. That's it. That's how you get all the training and get started. If you want 2 of them, it's 300. If you want 3 of them, it's 600. And you get all 4 for 900 plus a lot of bonus materials. All that's a one-time fee. It's not monthly, and you can spread that out over 12 months. So it really makes it affordable for everybody. That's one of the reasons I really recommend this program. So again, what's the next step? Let's go ahead and look at what's in that program. Okay, so this is the dashboard for the Legacy Builders products. So as we come down, we have the Launchpad. This is the $100 product. The Digital Mastery, that is the 300. And of course, this one includes the 100 as well. So as you go, you get everything below that for the price. If you go for the 600, you get all 3. And the 900, you get all 4 of these plus these bonuses. So let's kind of look at, since it includes all of them, let's look at the Legacy Builders 4 products package. Okay. So again, obviously some intro. There's live Zoom calls and, like I said, tech support, mentoring, and coaching. So it teaches you how to set up your systems here. We use Kajabi. It's how the course is created, and then kind of goes through the master resale rights. So what are master resale rights? Well, you buy these 4 digital products, and now you can resell them. So it's no different than Verizon or Apple resell the same phone, or a software company resells the same software over and over. Business owners buy from suppliers or manufacturers and then they resell it. That's business. This is no different. Okay. So once you have those master resale rights that come with this, you can resell these over and over and over. Um, so again, we want to show you how to automate, go through the automated system, how to set that up and customize it to you, how to get your website, domain name, how to set up your payment gateways, whether it's Stripe or Square or PayPal or whatever you want to use. There are instructions on that. and then all your templates for your sales funnel and your landing page, how to customize those to you, and then we connect everything up. Right, once we show you how to set it up, we connect it all together. And again, each one of these, if we click on this, uh, there'll be several videos within each one of these. So again, it walks you through how to set up all of these things. Okay, and then we go into setting up the automated emails. Again, your capture page, landing page, some alternative payment gateways, and then starting to set everything up and going through the training of how you actually do that. How do you create your content, right? How do you find your ideal customer? How do you tell your story? How do you attract those customers? How do you build your brand? Again, how do you attract customers on TikTok? It's got how to post free ads, where to do those, the YouTube training, the Pinterest training, the Instagram. Again, all of these include the how to go live if you want to do lives, which are invaluable. It's kind of like pouring gas on the fire once you get everything set up. There are all these little programs of 6 figures in 6 months you can get in and join in while they're doing those. And then again, get your recurring income stream going. How do you do that? How do you do affiliate marketing? How do you do partnerships? Again, your email marketing and your list building. Yeah, we don't cold call anybody. We don't have to. Um, we teach who is your perfect customer and how to attract that customer to you, and then how to create the right content to do that. How to use Chat GPT, and then again, if you want to create your own product, I'm creating my own course now on something else I do through my agency. So I wanted to make sure that when I got into this, that this had instructions on how to create a course and build a community. So it does. So that's why I chose this one. That's why the reason I really like it. And then how do you scale your business? How do you do the affiliates? How do you grow a community? And then again, all of the other strategy things that are included. So if we go back up and we go to Ask This Community, so these everybody who's part of this program, there's a wins page here where they kind of post all the things they've done, whether it's even they're starting and they just got their website set up, or whether they're making money or whatever. There's a classroom here, so within this, you get all this additional bonus material here. Okay, all these little programs. What I like too is over here in the content vault. Now you get things like hooks to use and all these things that you use in your marketing. You can use these testimonials as well as you go along. So these are all testimonials you can then attach and use in your marketing.
I discovered Michelle one day on TikTok, right? And from the very first time I found her, doing a live video, of course, I had already made up in my mind that I was gonna get started with whatever this is that she is doing. But I stalked Michelle for about 2 months. Silly me, I know. But at that time, I knew there was just so much on my plate at the moment, and I needed to kind of free some stuff off my plate for me to be able to focus. So lo and behold, the opportunity presented itself for me while I was traveling, still busy. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and lock in my spot, right? Literally, before I even got my website back, I had persons waiting on me ready to get started, right? So in my first week, I'll say it's less than a week, maybe in about 6 days apart, I was able to generate $1,200 using this blueprint. All right, fast forward, because times have changed so much. Less than 2 weeks in the company, picking up my momentum, and about my third week, I literally generated almost $3,000 in one day. Now listen. and I'm blown away by this. I'm having fun. It's not overpowering. I get to do this when I want to put in the effort to go the extra mile, and it's absolutely amazing. The community, love being a part of the community. So many amazing people, the great teaching, the support. If you are on the fence, borrow my belief. All right, borrow my belief, and you say yes to this amazing opportunity. All right.
So again, there's hundreds of those testimonials you can use in your advertising. There's a calendar here that has all the live training and mentoring calls and tech support calls. You can just jump into those. So this is really uh, a complete course. It's a complete business in a box. It's the one I recommend. Yeah, in the email you've already got, and the subsequent emails you'll be getting, there are links there if you're ready to jump on board. Just go in there and pick the program you want and get started. If you want to jump on a chat or a call, we can do that as well. Just let me know. I'm here to help coach you through this, and I know you're going to be successful if you just follow the plan. So again, get out of that 9 to 5. Protect yourself against job loss. Pad your retirement. Whatever your goal is, now's the time to start. Get off the fence. Fortune favors the bold. So let's go ahead and be bold and get this done and get in it and get started. And I'll help you all through the whole process. Thanks.